Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram chat without deleting them. So here's how to do it. Open your Instagram app, navigate to the chat section, click on the chat you want to hide. What you have to do is to click on the profile, click on the three dots and click on restrict. When you go back, it will be missing in the inbox. That's how to hide your chat on Instagram without deleting them. What if you want to bring them back? Here's how to do it. Go to your profile, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and you are going to see where it said restricted. Click on it, click on next and click on unrestrict. When you go back to the chat section, you're going to see the chat. So that's how you hide and unhide your chat on Instagram without deleting them. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.